The future of body hygiene. The rise of human washing machine. Many people are picky about their shower routines, down to the products they use and the length of time they devote to drying off. But what if I told you there was no need to worry about any of it going forward? Are you open to trying a human washing machine? Scientists in Japan are working on a futuristic AI bath that uses tiny bubbles to wash you clean while playing relaxing music and videos a loop in the background. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so we can keep you updated with amazing contents like this. Number 1. Japan's Human Washing Machine, Project Usario. The perfect relaxing bath awaits you if bubbles, rose petals, and scented candles aren't doing the trick after a hard day. Japanese researchers are working on a human washing machine that will wash you while showing you a soothing film selected by the AI. Users of the ultrasonic bath will effectively wash away grime and impurities. The user sits in bath chair and is blasted with water in microbubbles that will remove grime from the pores of their skin. A sensor is also attached to the chair that is connected to an electrocardiograph, measuring their heart rate. The researchers currently use this to monitor the state of the user's nervous system and see how relaxed they are while displaying videos on a water-resistant display. This data will be used to train an artificial intelligence AI that will be able to automatically choose the most relaxing content for the bather. Science has also stated that the goal of the project Osayato is to wash the mind, as well as the body by creating the most comfortable experience possible. The Sanyo electric ultrasonic bath, shaped like an egg, was on display at the Osaka Pavilion at 1970 Osaka Expo, which served as the inspiration for the company's Project Osayato. The Osaka Pavilion's electric displays from the 1970 Osaka Expo, which served as the inspiration for the company's Project Osayato. The Osaka Pavilion's electric displays from the 1970 Osaka Expo. Reports claim that science chairman Yasuaki Aoyama was 10 years old when he saw the exhibit and was immediately captivated by the new technology. Once a person entered a Sanyo bath, hot water began to fill the tub automatically, and 300 massage balls pounded their body while supersonic wave washed away grime. The entire cycle only took 15 minutes, and it included washing, drying, and re-entering the room. Even though it failed to gain traction as commercial product, the new Japanese tech firm Science Co. Ltd., situated in Osaka, Japan, is giving it a try and has conceived of a novel plan. To begin developing the human-powered washing machine, Project Osayato, under which the human washing machine will be produced, is designed to give its customers a luxurious bathing experience by combining a cutting-edge artificial intelligence system with a cutting-edge fine bubble technology. The project, according to the business, will be completed by 2024 and will make its debut at the Osaka Expo in 2025, promising a futuristic take on the human washing machine. Number 2. The Finnish patented human wash. Patented by Sakoni Oy, the company says that anyone can use their new human washing machine. Those who are elderly or disabled who prefer to take a naked shower without the presence of a nurse or caretaker can use this. Even young physically active persons like athletes and bodybuilders can benefit from this product, since they may occasionally enjoy the convenience of a shower held by a machine, for instance, due to sore muscles. It is anticipated that the patented human wash machines will be employed and deployed in a variety of settings, including hospitals, nursing homes, residences for elderly people, fitness centers, swimming pools, and private houses, among other locations. The machine just needs to be put next to a shower in order for the installation to be completed successfully. The process is extremely simple. It suggests a method for the production of a new generation of washing machine known as a human body washing machine. It is comprised of a cabin that has thermally insulated wall that is completely shut off from the rest of the structure and can only be accessed through a door. A bather will place themselves between two opposing frameworks upon entering the cabin. These frameworks are what support a coating, which is transverse bandage that runs the length of the cabin. Each individual structure is made up of a row A to right that is organized into 5 different pairs. There is a set of chainsaw strips that are mounted on each pair of upright. These strips may be moved in translation so that they can be stretched out or collected in, so that the coating can be adjusted to fit the size of the bather. When the two frameworks are brought closer together, configurable lifts make it possible to switch out and replace the transfer strips that are in between them. Additionally, this makes it possible to either cover the various components of the body in a coating or expose them. The body is able to be massaged, exfoliated, or rinsed by coating that is impregnated with water and soap. Thanks to the oscillatory movements of the framework, to the right, left, as well as up and down. During the self-washing cycle, the interior of the cabin can be cleaned, thanks to its additional flow pipes that are located outside of the showering cycle. In addition, the machine guarantees that the user's safety has been given the utmost consideration during the manufacturing process of the machine. The machine also has been designed to be easy to use, and users will find controls to be within easy reach of their hands. On the front panel of the machine are push buttons that can be used to start it. To put a halt to the machine's activities, there is a stop plate located at the base that can be activated either by hand or by foot. After every 10 minutes of operation, a timer located in the control box will automatically turn off the machine to ensure the user's safety. The device carries the CE mark of approval and was manufactured in accordance with Machinery Directive 2006-42/EU. The motors that are all provided all operate on a 24 VDC safety voltage. Number 3. Avent Saint-Lubain 999. The Avent Saint-Lubain 999 is yet another type of human washing machine. It originates in the land of the rising sun. The Japanese company Avent Saint-Lubain 999 is a solution for people who are sick of the conventional method of taking a standing shower and of having to do all of the effort themselves. The automatic washing equipment is a robotic bath that has been properly dubbed the human washing machine. You climb into the bath and then close the lid on top of yourself to begin the washing process. You'll be able to pamper yourself with a body shampoo and a shower, infrared heat and steam, sound therapy, aromatherapy, a seaweed pack, and a body lotion while you are inside in the robotic bath. It also disinfects itself and cleans itself, so you won't need to scrape the shower screens anymore. The seaweed pack and the body lotion are the two products that most people are interested in learning more about. People are left wondering how the robot is able to put this into practice. This, on the other hand, might not be quite absurd as it first appears. This human washing machine may in fact have several applications that are to one's advantage. From homeless shelters to military outposts, showers and clean flesh are always hot topics of discussion when they are unavailable. The Avent Saint-Lubain 999, which has an aptly descriptive name, functions similarly to a self-contained car wash in that it cleans the human by spraying soap and water on them and uses infrared lamps to heat and steam. Optional audio and aromatherapy, as well as a seaweed wrapped, are also included. Say what now? This is something that has not yet been explained. But if the operation times were shorter, might it actually save water? Even though it disinfects itself after each use, it still appears to be too costly and cumbersome at this stage to be integrated into the locations where it would be required the most. Why expend energy lathering and scrubbing if you don't have to? Teenagers who are particularly filthy can pay approximately $30 to step into Avon's Anti-Levain 999, seal the lead, and the rest while the coffin-shaped apparatus provides them with a sudsy wash, body lotion, or even a seaweed treatment. They protrude their nuggets to get a better experience of the fragrance and the calming noises. The Japanese beauty salon industry has purchased 70 of these buds from Avon, which each cost $152,000 each. What's next? A horizontal tumble dryer? Number 4, which is the bonus, New Zealand's boom netting. This activity entails riding in a safe and durable net that is tied to the back of our vessels. This type of use of machines may not be considered as a typical application of machinery. It's almost like being in a mobile spa bath. And as we drive quickly through the water, you'll get the exciting experience of having waves crash over you while you're holding onto the net for dear life. During your wild and exciting journey around the bay, you can look forward to having plenty of fun, laughing and smiling along the way. The activity of boom netting is an excellent substitute for swimming, scuba diving, and snorkeling. It's enjoyable, risk-free, and a fantastic deal for money. Celebrations of the holiday season, corporate outings, family get-togethers, or even simply a day out with friends are all excellent candidates for the use of summer boom netting. Which among these human washing machine inventions caught your attention the most? Do you find it weird to use these machines in the future? Or could it be a norm in the coming years? We hope that you enjoyed this video, and to see more of this, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Until the next awesome one, goodbye.